A very good and windy morning. Dutch bike blogger here. Thank you for riding with me. Just left home and on my way to work. And it's colder than I expected it to be. So maybe I should stop and put on my hat and gloves. Let's just do that. Well, put a hat on my head. Let's see what YouTube makes of that sentence. Auto translate. A hat on my head. Well, also some gloves, which makes it a little bit better. Left from home on a decent time. For me it's a Friday, which means this is the last day of the working week. Which means the next 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, will be known to me as weekend. Suits me fine, by the way. Had a good night's sleep. Went to bed quite early last night. Awoke in the middle of the night. Watched the YouTube channel for an hour. Went to sleep again. Awoke at 8, watched some more YouTube and slept until 10, and then my alarm clock informed me that I had to get out of bed, so I did. Made lunch, and so on. Watched some Formula 1 free practice for the last Grand Prix of this season, Abu Dhabi. It was there 25 degrees, which I do like, nice temperature. Well, then it was time to get on my bike. I packed my bike bag, pannier, lunch in there, spare shirt to wear at work, or change of clothes to wear at work, I mean. So now when I arrive at work I can change my t-shirt for my nicer polo shirt. feels like I'm having a headwind. Oh, and I can see some rain clouds in the distance. Weather forecast told me it should stay dry, but there is some cloud in the distance. Hopefully I will not be affected by it. We'll have to see. At least this is not going to be a longer bike trip because of the time I have and because of the weather. Well, now I do have direct sunshine, so the sun is shining. A lot of glare on the road. Quite annoying. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but the road is wet, sun on it, a lot of glare, unable to see details. At least I can, probably for the camera much worse. By the way, camera for the correct settings, that is the daylight settings. Last evening when I came home, I switched the camera to daylight from dark settings to daylight settings, but somehow something went wrong because one part of the setting, the ISO was okay, but the exposure value was still up for darkness. Luckily I checked, and I saw in the back of my camera on the screen that, well, was set for night settings, which means during daylight you will get a video that is overexposed. I've done that in the past. It's not good, so I changed it and checked it. So that's something I have to keep in mind. Always check before you leave and turn on your camera and what the settings are. And if the settings are correct. And when a video is once overexposed or underexposed, also can be happening, that you use daylight settings for in the evening. I cannot correct that. First of all, I don't have the skills. Second of all, my software doesn't allow me to do. I tried. And maybe third, and the important one, which actually should be on 1, it's just not fixable. The other way around, I try to upgrade my videos where I drive in the dark, like I will be this evening and last night. See link in the description box and top right corner. I try to edit and brighten the footage, but that doesn't, well, quite work actually. I also tried that because, well, maybe footage will be more clear and brighter. Nicer for you to watch, more detail. I think, by the way, the wind is picking up. You maybe noticed on the noise of the camera and the piece of packaging that just flew in front of the bike I was behind. and also the leaves are blowing around. Picking up a wind means normally there will be not just wind the whole day, but when it's picking up, big chance of getting a rain shower. Which actually would be not so nice. I used to be able to go over here, but that's effectively not an option anymore. But this road is also very nice. Be over to that side, but also there is a blockage. It's blocked off at the end. It's a minor inconvenience, and actually the distance is the same, so it's not that I have to drive hundreds of meters or kilometers extra to get to work. No, it's just the same route, only on a parallel road. Pedal hunch forward, not enhancing the view angle. Well, looks like I made it close to work in dry conditions. Very happy. Also would be nice if in the evening it would be the same. Let's have a look at the busy parking lot. Well, that's okay. It's a nice view again, clear. And that also brings me to destination. Thank you very much for riding with me. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out the description box. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Take care. And like always, be safe out there.